we're gonna be trendy. Oh, hello there. And welcome to HopeScope in her true form, a total grunge. Today I am on a quest to become #trendy, #goals. I'm dying. What will happen if I pretend to die? Let's find out. You literally just ran back to the treat cupboard. You jerk. Wait, I died and you just wanted a treat. I've never seen so much hype for such a new brand. It's kind of ridiculous. And I kind of want answers because I'm really confused as to how a smaller brand like this is getting so many big name Instagrammers and YouTubers to wear their stuff. So either they're really that cool or they're shilling out the big bucks for some shout outs. Hi, thank you for joining us today. Setactive.com. I think this is not it. This is the guy. This is it. You know, if I was a good YouTuber, I would just send him a message and say, hey, do you want to collaborate? But everything on this site is very basic. And I don't mean like basic, I'm just saying like it's basic. 4 pages, Lee. Lee, they can't even see you. I think they're all this like seamlessly ribbed material. So we have 4 whole options. We have the V-neck sports bra, the round neck sports bra, the leggings, and the biker shorts. Let's do the shorts in pink. Gosh, I hate when brands do their sizing like this. It's either extra small, small medium, or medium large. And they are $49. All right, let's look at the sizing chart. Okay, so if I'm like a size 4'6", my bum is usually a medium. I'm just gonna go with the small medium, the scoopy neck. There's only 2 sizes in the sports bras. I'm gonna go extra small. All right, let's pick another color. What color would you pick? What's your favorite color? What the heck, I think blue will be fun. I've been getting a lot of reds and pinks lately, so we'll switch it up. Sold out! You little... The midnight's kind of cool. Let's try midnight. Purple's probably like the color I have the least of, honestly. We're gonna get our 2 sets in checkout here. $200? But we are not finished. I feel like in order to complete my metamorphosis into a trendy human being, we have to actually complete this look. Apparently, big sunglasses are out of style, and that's all I own. So we're gonna finish off this little athleisure outfit with a pair of tiny sunglasses. Let's go to ASOS. ASOS is always a safe bet. Okay, so here's these little butterfly shaped ones. Okay, I'm digging these because I don't like the little circles, but these actually have a little bit of shape to them, so I think they'll be okay. These are trendy. Are these trendy? Let's get them. But this look isn't done yet. We need some of those chunky sneakers. You know what I'm talking about? They look like Bratz doll shoes. My friends have talked me out of getting them thus far in life, but I'm just gonna do it because I love that look. Do you think they have Fila on ASOS? I think these are the answer. They're just like completely white. Lee, they don't have my size. I'm gonna have to go to a whole new site for this. Okay. Lee, I just love you. The Fila website?
Look at you, look at you, look at you.
Hi. Lee! Oh, those all yellow ones though. Oh, these with the pink and purple might be cute. Okay, let's go with these. But the other thing I feel like we need is some high socks. Gang's all here. Okay, sorry, that was a really weird transition. And I know you were all really concerned about whether or not got socks. The answer is, yes, I did. I decided to forego just a plain old boring pair. And I got some of these stance socks because they are trendy. Anyway, ASOS glasses are here. Sets are here. And the freaking Fila shoes arrived in like tamper-proof tape. Really glad I didn't go with the yellow because those would have just collected dust. I think I'll actually wear these ones though. All right, here's day 1 trendy workout outfit. I'm sure you guys are wondering, hey Hope, you have the trendy look. What about a trendy hairstyle? Well, yesterday I kind of did an oil hair mask, and rather than washing it out like a normal person last night, I just kind of left it. So we only have one option for hair. Oh, Leo, did you want to say happy good morning? This is the only option. Otherwise I'm gonna be looking like that worm guy from Lord of the Rings. I'm gonna put these on backwards. The cool girls are like kind of rolling them down like that. Oh! All right, this is it. the final look. Oh, I should probably take the sticker off my sunglasses, huh? Also, in case you're wondering why I'm just filming this whole video in random rooms in my house instead of my YouTube room, it's because it still looks like this. Initial thoughts on this outfit, it feels identical to Gymshark Energy Seamless. Not like the older versions that I hated, but the newer versions that I tolerate. The fit is pretty much the same amount of compression and stretch. And then the waistband is a more dense ribbed material, so it's actually pretty like snug. Nice amount of compression and tummy control here. They're very full length, which is surprising, especially on me because I'm on the taller side of things. Sports bras definitely light to medium support. We're just doing a back workout though, so it should be perfect. Yeah, I don't hate it so far. It is a little more expensive than Gymshark though. $65 for the leggings, $50 for the sports bra. To the gym. What do you think of my outfit?
Looks beautiful.
That's for me.
Drink.
What do you think of my shoes and socks?
Yeah.
It's trendy. Hello, everybody. Do you like my tiny sunglasses?
Yeah.
He laughs. Seatbelt so we can be safe. This is a shirt from Buff Bunny Collection that I just thought would be perfect for YouTube reviews. And you're gonna see why. Cindy really just did a number on this with the tape, didn't she? I found it on Poshmark. This is it. It's this little meshy guy, so you can still kind of see the sports bra under it. We should get a shot of my outfit. Should I wear these for the whole workout?
Yeah.
This shirt was a bad idea because I literally still have burns from trying on all my sports bras in the last video. Had a great back workout that I got 2 whole clips of, and that is why I'm not a fitness YouTuber. Set number 2. Oh, and Leah wanted to show you his cheeseburger. Today we have the biker shorts and the round neck sports bra. And I finally washed my hair. I'm digging the color. I just don't feel like this cut is doing much for me. They're very comfortable though. And please don't look stupid, please don't look stupid. Hey, I'm digging these. Lee, are you digging them? This color looks perfect with my nails. And I'm back. All right, final thoughts. This bra's kind of small. Maybe I would have liked a medium large in this style. Other than that, I feel like the sizes worked out perfect for me, but that doesn't really mean much because there's only like 3 sizes. So that means there's a good chance that it won't work out for most people. Per usual, I didn't get very much footage of me actually working out in this stuff, but here's a clip of me not feeling good at the gym. And here's a clip of me working out anyway. Both of these sports bras weren't particularly supportive. They're good for like lounge or light exercise, but I wouldn't be doing cardio in them. I swear, I was looking at their story the other day and they were doing like a little Q&A, and I thought somebody asked, do they come with pads? And they said no, but you can add them. I don't see anywhere you can do that. I don't know. And then the bottoms. After wearing them a couple times, I've come to the conclusion they are definitely very similar to the Gymshark seamless leggings. This type of seamless just isn't my favorite. And honestly, I think it's more to do with my anatomy than the actual fabric itself. What are you doing? It always like emphasizes this for some reason. They keep sliding down. I mean, they are quality though, for sure. But the big question, are they squat proof? Not bad actually, especially for being such a light color. They're really not too see-through. I thought both of these were gonna show sweat more than they did, but they were actually quite breathable. And then they're pretty forgiving in like the cellulite department. So overall, are they worth the price? Yes, if you like this type of thing, but if you're looking for something high support, high function, I don't know if this is your set. I do really like their color selection, and I like that they kind of switch them out every season. Tons of you were asking, tons of you were asking for this review. As always, if you have any other specific brands that you want me to review or videos that you want to see, make sure to comment them down below. We'll see you guys in the next video. Say bye, YouTube.